Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. We have a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square in here. So if we look carefully about this one, we see that this is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. Cosine 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine a square in here. Now, cosine s, that is about cosine number 2 multiplied by s over 2. So capital A, that is about s over 2 in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel, negative negative we have positive, and now we have 2 sine s over 2 square. Next, I will put s on numerator and denominator. Now, the next one, I will put number 4 in here. So we have another number 4 in here. Now, we need to separate them in here. They should be like this. So we have 2 over 4 we put in here. Now we have sine of s over 2 over of s over 2. Everything to the power of 2. And then this one multiplied by this one over sine s over s. Now we have the formula in here. So sine of as over as, we have number 1. So capital A in here, that's about 1. And capital A in here, that's about 1 over 2. So when s approaches to number 0, sine of 1 over 2s, 1 over 2s, and sine 1s over 1s equals to number 1. And now we can put number 0 on here and here. So we calculate about this one and we have 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.